By the end of the video, we will know about how to lose skinny fat during Ramadan, helping you transform your body while observing the holy month. Ramadan is a time of fasting, reflection, and spiritual growth. However, it can also be challenging to maintain your fitness goals, especially if you're looking to lose skinny fat. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate this month while making progress on your fitness journey. Step 1. Nutrition during suhoor and iftar. Proper nutrition is key to maintaining energy and supporting muscle growth and fat loss. Complex carbohydrates. Opt for oats, whole grain bread, or quinoa to provide sustained energy. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, and seeds are great options to keep you satiated. Iftar post-dusk meal. Break the fast gently. Start with dates and water to replenish glycogen stores and hydrate. Balanced meal. Include a mix of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Grilled chicken with brown rice and vegetables is a good example. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water between iftar and suhoor to stay hydrated. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dymatize ISO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. Timing your workouts around your fasting schedule is crucial. Step 3. Strength training. Building muscle is essential to transforming your skinny fat physique. Compound movements, squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are effective for muscle growth. Frequency. Aim for at least 3 strength training sessions per week. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weights to keep challenging your muscles. Step 4. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardio helps in burning fat, which is crucial for revealing the lean muscle underneath. HIIT, high-intensity interval training. Efficient and can be done in a short period. Steady-state cardio. Activities like brisk walking or cycling can be done after iftar. Step 5. Rest and recovery sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep to aid recovery. Rest days. Incorporate at least 1 or 2 rest days to avoid overtraining. Step 6. Consistency and patience. Stay consistent with your diet and workout routine. Remember, results take time, especially during a period of fasting. Supplements can support your goals, but are not mandatory. Protein powders to meet daily protein needs. Multivitamins. Ensure you're getting all essential nutrients, especially if your diet is restricted. By the end of Ramadan, with dedication to your nutrition and exercise regimen, you will see a positive transformation in your body. Remember, the key is to balance your spiritual and fitness goals effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Let's achieve our fitness goals together, even during Ramadan.